Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn cooking vocabulary. So let's start. Boil, boil, pour, pour, cut, cut, bake, bake, grill, grill, fry, fry, peel, peel, simmer, simmer, mix, mix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.